Compass designs, constructs, and operates data centers for some of the largest hyperscalers and cloud providers around the globe.
Our ultimate goal at Compass is to be 100% uptime all the time.
Downtime is not an option. We do not have the luxury to have units not working at any given time.
When it comes to operating data centers, the industry's biggest challenges are maintaining and retaining site operators, building effective maintenance calendars, and having reliable equipment that they can depend on.
At Compass, we do things differently. We need a tailor-made solution. The benefit of our partnership with Predictive is we have just that.
Predictive site-based service delivers a proactive maintenance solution for Compass data center locations, increasing speed to maintenance resolution and maximizing uptime.
The value of these site-based services is to ensure that we meet our customers' needs real-time.
We have our own designated emergency number, so we don't have to go into a call line and wait in line to have a response. The response is direct. They have trained staff available to our account locally. They provide us with a under 2-hour response time to any emergency call. Also, Predictive stocks locally all the parts that we need to keep our mechanical fleet running all the time.
Combined with their site-based services, Compass also utilizes Predictive Next Predict, a powerful AI-based modeling tool for monitoring and predicting equipment health, maximizing uptime through early detection, and smarter maintenance visits.
The value of Next Predict is transitioning from a time-based maintenance program to a data-driven, condition-based one, which ensures we'll be performing maintenance on units that truly need it, minimizing downtime and reducing waste.
The biggest value our customers see with Predictive Next Predict is not only are we getting a reduced cost of operation, but also a reduction of our downtime due to planned maintenances on a calendar base. Just like Compass, our customers are very much aligned on waste reduction by not having to change filters on a periodic basis, but more on an analytic perspective. We are reducing our overall waste at our sites.
Predictive Next Predict provides equipment analytics and health scores that can be used to predict equipment health and resolve many issues before they become critical.
What's great about health scores is we're going to have visibility into which units need maintenance and which ones do not. This overall will ensure that we're not performing maintenance on units prematurely and getting ahead of maintenance needs before an event occurs.
Ultimately, all these perks that we have through Predictive allows us to have the confidence and instill this confidence into our clients. So the client sees the partnership that we've developed with Predictive and ultimately has an enhanced confidence in our approach and means to keep their equipment healthy all the time.
Compass is always looking to provide the best solutions for our customers. By ensuring that our maintenance programs are as efficient as possible, we can continue to innovate in other areas.